Hi traders, it's Anthony here. In this video I want to introduce you to quite a profitable trade that we get to participate in on a fairly regular basis. Okay, you can see these white lines depict a certain time or date of the month when this event takes place, and then we get to ride the coattails of investors who are actually manipulating the market around these times. Today I posted this, well in fact we've been leading up to today in our Discord channel. December the 4th, this was Friday, I posted this in. Okay, it's pushing up today, watch my video. We're looking for our short, perhaps through the Asian session on Monday. Well, here's Monday, December the 7th. This was posted into the Discord channel today. Sell, and we caught the top here. And then I posted this video explaining my trading plan, or my trade plan. After we entered it, I kind of went into detail about how we could play this trade. So this is a trade that we can take on a regular basis. It's to do with a certain event or a certain occurrence that repeats itself time and time again. And we have information as to when this is going to occur, and then we can plan out our short our trade around this particular occurrence. Now, out of respect to my premium members, I won't give you all our trade secrets here, but I will share with you the outcome and what's possible, and let you know that this is something that you could be involved with if you want to. Already, we've taken profits. We entered here, we've hit TP1. Those with multiple positions can do a partial close here, and then just see if we get any more out of it by trailing the last open trade. But if we look back, we can see that the times when this certain event occurred, what happens is investors push the market up deliberately. Now, they force the market up, and then they turn it around and sell off. Okay, and there's a reason for that. If you join my premium channel, and it's only $39.95 a month, have a look at the link below the video in the description. You can find out everything about this trade and trade this with us. Okay, so here's another instance here. They pushed it up and then they sell off. And we go back, I've mapped out these times when it's happened. They force it up and then they sell off again. So the idea then is, take partial profits fairly early, and then we can leave one in and we can pull a stop loss down to break even, and then just trail it and see what we can get out of it. And I mean, these extended moves are really profitable. Okay, so as you can see, every time these events have occurred, we've had quite a nice outcome, some more so than others. Okay, so I'll just reset this. So this was today, TP1 we've reached. We'll just see how the rest of this plays out. So this is a premium members only trade setup. You're welcome to join. We also have this one, another, it's similar kind of a thing with the DE30. And then you get access to our premium trade signals. So we basically make money here, guys, and I would invite you to definitely check this out. Head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. All the information here. Join premium and have access to this trade along with all the other trades we do and benefits. Of course, you get access to all of this, and this option's only $39.95 a month. Great value. So don't hold back, guys. Click subscribe and I will respond to you very quickly. With that, hope you have a great day and look forward to hearing from you.